Hello boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to take away from a 2-digit number. But something special is going to be happening today, so watch and see. So here's the number 21. 2 tens and 1. Now I'm going to take away a 1-digit number like 5. All right, now remember what we've talked about. We want to start in the ones place first. So let's see what we have there in the ones place. Well, we have a 1, 1. Here he is. And we want to take away 5 ones. Now, some of you are already thinking, wait a minute, Mrs. Wren, there's no way we can take away 5 ones. We only have 1. And you're right. So that's called regrouping. We have to regroup and we have to borrow. All right, so where are we going to get the rest of the ones? We just have 1 here, but we need 5. I hear some of you thinking, Mrs. Wren, let's go ahead and break apart some of those 10s so we have enough. And you're right, we can do that. We can take one of these 10s and trade it in for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Here we go. Remember, Mrs. Wren didn't bring home enough of those little base 10 cubes. And we just trade those in. So this 10 is the same as this 10. We'll take them away. Now we have enough, don't we? Now we have 10 and 1 more makes 11. We can do it that way. We can say 11 take away 5. 11 take away 5 is 6. Right? So we would put 6 ones over here. And then we still have 1 10. Right? So 21 take away 5 is the same as 16. Now that's one way to do it. I'm going to show you another way so you can start doing it in your head. So let's take that same number, 21 take away 5. I'll fold my paper up here. Same number, 21. Take away that same 5. This time I'm just going to do it a little bit differently. So 21, take away 5. Now remember, always want to go to the ones place first. But we see right away there's that problem. There's not enough. You can't take 5 away from 1, can you? So we have to do something. We have to borrow. We have to regroup. So the only place we can go is these 10s right here. So what I'm going to ask you to do today is to think of it as we're going to take a 10 from the 2. So let's take one of them and put that with a 1. Now what's this number? 1, 10, and 1. That's 11. So 11, how about if 11 takes away 5? You can do that. 11 take away 5 is 6. So we'll put the 6 in the 1's place. And then do we have any 10s left over? Remember, we took away 1, and this is now just 1. So we do have 1 10. We do have 1 10 left over here. So that's the number 16. All right, so that's another way to do it. You just want to borrow that 10, take him, put him with a 1. Now that's 11. Now 11 can take away 5. And we didn't have to break it all down. We just knew we were taking a 10 and putting it over here with a 1. So that's 11. Take away 5 equals 6. And then there's that 1 left over. Okay? All right.